Hey, what's going on? Hope you're doing well. On this video, I wanted to share with you few of the niches that you can actually get into if you're looking to start your YouTube automation channel. And this channel is literally blowing up, and there's also a lot of channels coming up within this space that I've actually been seeing on a continuous basis. Right, so let me share with you my screen, and I'll also be sharing with you a few of the things that you can actually do to actually find the right niche. Okay, because the niche is the one thing that actually takes a lot of time from the creators. Right, hopefully you can actually see my screen. So this is one of the channel that's actually just kept popping up on my uh, home screen. Is literally they've only got like 10 videos, and you can see the subscriber count. It's 26,000 subscribers that they have actually got, and they're not even that consistent, right? So mainly they're talking about like Instagram business growth, and they're doing like a tutorial and how to create viral monetizable shorts. Okay, and these are all what we call automation video, because they have actually hired the whole team who's actually doing the whole strategy, right? So 350,000 views, 17,000 views, 12,000, 21,000, 14,000. Okay, so this channel is definitely earning good amount of income, and you can actually just do the same thing as what they're doing, right? Bright thumbnail that they're actually putting out there. And this video isn't that expensive. You can actually hire people from website as Upwork and onlinejob.ph. You're going to get some good talents in there who can create these sort of videos, and most of the time people are actually just using AI voiceover software. And now you're not going to get any issues if you use this AI software. You can use the voiceover from the AI, so that way you don't have to pay like 30, 40, 50, $60 for a 8 to 10 minute voiceover. And that money that you're going to be saving, you can just reinvest in the channel to actually create more and more videos. Okay, so here's another video channel that I've actually came through, which is in the animation niche, but basically he just talks about in the video. But you can actually just find this sort of spokesperson on the websites that I actually mentioned, and they can actually just do the whole editing and also create the videos for you, right? So this channel is has got only 3 videos, got 900 subscribers already, and it will be actually monetized within a very short amount of time. Okay, so here's another trick I wanted to show you to actually find the right sort of niche. So you're going to be going to incognito tab, so you don't have any history, and you can just type in whatever you want to be coming through. Okay, so you can actually clearly see this is a channel that popped up on my news feed on my home screen. And this is like, I haven't done any check, but the reason that I actually saw this video, because YouTube is actually promoting pushing this video to more and more people. Okay, so I'll just simply go here and see what.
All right, boys and girls, welcome
So this
to A.
this channel is like a yeah based channel. Okay, and he's got like 135,000 subscribers, 83 videos, and he's getting a lot of momentum and a lot of views on this channel. Okay, so I can clearly model after this channel, see what they're doing, what sort of videos they're actually creating, and what sort of thumbnails they're also creating. Okay, so it's super easy to actually do that. And how you're going to be finding more niches, so whichever video you can actually see is going viral, like for example this one, I'll actually click on this video to actually
If you're a
find
business owner,
similar channels, and I'll actually just go through the rabbit hole. Okay, so I'll find more channels that's similar to this channel as well, and I'll see if I can find other ones as well. So how to AI.
in
So
the last 2 months,
this
in
is
the last
another
360.
this is another AI based channel, and you can also see that this channel is getting a lot of momentum as we speak. Okay, so you can see 117,000, 50,000 views, 32 250,000 views. So this is how I actually find other channels and other other videos and also channels and other niches. Okay, so this is the same process that I actually follow, and this is exactly what I actually did to find these niches, is going on incognito tab and seeing which channels actually popping up, and you can just go through suggested videos, see what other related channels that you can find, and start to model after them, start creating videos so you can start to get more views. And with the views, your channel will actually get monetized fast. And also with that, once you get monetized fast, you will start to earn a good amount of income. Okay, so let me know what you thought about in this video. Leave in the comment section if you have any questions. And there should be another video that actually popping on the screen right now, so you can click it and watch the full training on YouTube automation. Thank you so much, and bye for now.